Hello guys, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you guys are fantastic and you are loving this on-campus placement series. If you are, please give a thumbs up to our video and put your favorite part in the comment section. And if you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section too. So guys, you might be thinking from where I got all these questions. So for your information, you can search TCS NQT from Take You Forward. Tough. Okay, you will find the Striver Bhiya's website. In that, there is a sheet name called TCS NQT, and the questions that it consists is sufficient for any of the service-based companies. Fine, any type of service-based company, or for doing the medium level of data structure, you should know the basic concepts and you should have a good grip over the fundamental concepts. So for doing that, you definitely have to go through with this sheet. It contains some 100+ questions. You will be good with basics and fundamentals of programming. So guys, let's move to our very next question is remove duplicate from sorted array. So as of now, I think you have got some type of approach, or if not, I will here to let you know. So let's read the problem statement, guys. Problem statement states you are given a sorted integer array size of n. Fine, we got an array and size of n. Fine, you need to remove the duplicates from the array such that each element appears only once. Okay, I can see there are elements which are repeating thrice. In this case, 2 is repeating thrice. Okay, so that element appears only once. Return the length of the new array. We have to return the length of the new array, or I am covering that return the len also as well as the output array also, how the output array will look like. Fine, because interviewer may ask this follow-up question to you to print the array or to give the length of the array which contains only the unique element. Fine. So as you can see guys, this is a very standard problem that been occurred many times or asked many times in this type of companies. All service-based companies are there inside this list, as well as some product based too. For the beginner level question, they used to ask on phone round, phone screening round. Okay, so guys, let's move to the approach. So after reading the solution, the brute force approach comes into my mind is I can use a set data structure. Aditya, what is set data structure? Guys, this is a data structure which contains only unique elements into it. It's an inbuilt data structure which contains only unique element. Okay, and in a sorted manner as well as the unique element. So as a brute force, I can say that I can directly append each and every element into the set and return its length. Fine, because sets stores the unique element. So if sets encounter some repeated value coming into the array list, he can directly remove that. Okay, so if you append all elements into the set, the set array will look like similar as the output. And if we want to print that, we print directly this, or we can print the len of this set. Fine, so len of this set would be 3, and this would be the brute force approach that is coming into my mind. So guys, if you are using set, fine, as the question is already stating that it is in sorted order, so the time complexity taken by this set data structure would be order of n. Fine, because each and every element present in this array you will append into this set, and as this all elements are already been sorted, the time complexity would be n log n, because it will definitely sort all the elements whether they are sorted or not. So it would be n log n. And the space complexity would be order of n, because you are using a set data structure which stores the unique elements inside it. Fine. So guys, if you are using Java, C++, if you are using Java, there is a set, there is a hash set as a inbuilt function. If you are CPP also, similar kind of set. And if you are using Python, there is a simple function is set. This can do your work. So now let's move to our optimal solution, because this is taking some bit more time, is it? So we need a good solution so that it will be take less CPU time and as well as a less space. So how we can think of it? Guys, let's say what I will do is, I have an array which consists similar to this element. What I will do is, I will take an I pointer, I equals to 0, fine, and what I will do, if and I will iterate with the second pointer which is called as j. I will iterate over the array using this j pointer if the element which is not been equal. So let's say this is my resultant array that I am gonna store all elements into it. Fine. If what happen is, like, I will not take, because if I take result a new array, then the space complexity would be again the same, so it will be no use. So what I will do, if I found that the next element and the j pointer target, the element where the j pointer is pointing and I is currently here, and the I pointer currently pointing to an element, if it is different, what I will do, I will append the j's value on this. Let's say in this case, what I am talking about it is, if what happen is, if my I is here and my j is here, what I will do is, this is a non-repetitive, not a similar element, then I will append, I will increment my I with 1 and append the j value here. So the j value would be 3. Now you can see we are doing this question in place. In place means inside the array without taking any auxiliary space. Fine. So what I am doing is, if I found the array of I is not being equals to array of j, I will replace the array of j element with one increment value of I. So it will be look like this, and I will return the answer as the next value to the array. Fine, because the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will return till here, so that the answer would be 1, 2, 3. The new array will be 3 because I have replaced with the j element. So 3. So it will be the new answer, and the question, if you want to return the length, you can just return I plus 1, or else the array, or else the current array till the I plus 1th value. I hope you got the clear approach. If not, please do the dry run of this approach. I will take you to a program code. You will definitely get through it. Fine. So this is the code in place in sorted array. So how I told is, we'll take a I pointer which will be on 0 in the first most, and I will take a j pointer which will start from the first index to the last index. Fine. And what I will do is, if I found that if my array of I element is not equals to my array of j element, I will just increment my I plus 1, so that it will counter on the next value. It will take a point to the next element and just swap the value. How I can swap? Array of I would be equals to array of j. Guys, that's it. And if you want to return the length of the array which contains only the unique element, you can just write return I plus 1, so that it means that if there are 3 elements, it will return 3 elements. If not, if you want to print the array, you just write print array which contains only the unique element. Fine, only the unique element would be I plus 1. Till I plus 1, please print the array. What is this means, Aditya? Guys, if you are not being familiar with Python, this is array slicing, I would say, in that from 0th index it is printing till I plus 1th index. It will just consider only this amount of range 0 to I plus 1, and it will print onto the command prompt. Fine, this is our terminal, I would say. So as you can see, the output would be 1, 2, 3 for this given test case. So let's run it and see whether the output is coming or not. Yes guys, the output is just popping it up. 1, 2, 3 is an output that we needed. Yes guys, so bingo, we have solved this question. So the time complexity have already been discussed, that it would be, as we have just replaced the non-repetitive element or the unique element on the ith location. So the time complexity would be only order of n, because we are traversing over the array only in one pass. We are not taking 2 passes or 3 passes. We are just passing once to all the element present in the array. And the space complexity would be order of 1, because we are not taking any other auxiliary space into our program. So yes guys, this would be very optimal solution of this question. If you have understood this approach, please give a like or subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, please shoot it into the comment section. I will happy to respond you back. So yes guys, stay tuned with more videos.